The drill that's going to stop you from missing your back cuts is right here. This is what I did early on. I shot the heck out of this thing and it really did work. You're going to want to watch till the end because there's a twist to this. I'm not going to just shoot these 4 balls one way, so stick around. So without further ado, let's check out my last night's practice session. First things first, align the 4 balls on about a 30-degree angle straight out from the side pocket. The first ball will be about 2 ball widths out from the mouth of the pocket, and the cue ball is about 1 ball width off the cushion at the second diamond. From this layout, I then shoot the first ball into the corner. Take note that I'm using low outside spin. Also notice that I'm avoiding the scratch into the opposite side pocket. As I visualize this second shot, the angle is obviously different, and herein lies why the drill is so effective. As the back cut angles become steeper, we are able to condition our mind's eye through visualization of the cut angle. And for me, I notice that I struggle a little bit more when the angle becomes much steeper. As you watch me attempt to pocket this last shot, if you miss, just go ahead and set it up again and shoot it over. And because I have a tendency to overcut this steeper angle shot, I protect it against that by undercutting. So before I move on, I reset and I really visualize the shot angle and focus as I drop into the shot. And since I rushed into the forward motion on that last shot, I really focused here on making a smooth stroke. And something else I cannot stress enough, you must be able to shoot these shots from both sides of the table. And believe it or not, there is a big difference. To keep this video short, I'm only showing from this angle. For my next round of shot making, I'm using inside spin. And here's a secret for these shots. Notice there how I hit the rail on the way into the pocket? That shot, if you want to watch it again, I hit that a little bit too strong, which squirted the cue ball more, which forced an overcut. So watch my stroke closely for these next 3 shots and you'll notice that I smooth stroked much better than on the first shot. I am convinced that the reason most players struggle with inside spin shots is that they overstroke the shot and they do not account for the squirt on the cue ball. And this in turn causes them to miss. In the making of this video, I applied some pressure on myself as I wanted to perform well for you as the viewer. I remember this last shot well as I really bared down to pocket it. It's a powerful drill. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I'll answer everyone. Please share this video. It helps my channel. It'll help other players as well, and I need your help. And if you want to watch another great tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.